Namaskaram. If you don't have much time to practice on different exercises for different body parts and you're looking for one exercise with multiple benefits, here we go, which is traditionally we call as a Hanuman Dand. It have multiple benefits. It works on the upper body, shoulders, tricep, arms, and core engagement, strengthen your spine, and also work on stretching and hip mobility too. So it's a little dynamic. We can simplify this exercise so that all level people, beginner levels, even the older people also can practice this. So let's go for it. We start from the down facing dog. From here, and with the exhalation, you're going to lift your heels up, hold your breath and engage your belly and engage your wings and push it up. Now from here, slowly move your left leg forward next to the left palm. Now from here, with the inhalation, you're going to chin up, inhale, look up. Open your chest and open your shoulders. If you feel too hard, you can drop your knee. Otherwise, you can just push your knee up and push your hip down so that you may feel a little engagement in your quad also. Inhalation, look up, and make sure you're not leaning to the left side. There is a tendency it will move to the left side, so make sure that you're moving to the right side and using your right arm more when you're keeping your left leg forward. Inhalation, look up. With the exhalation, you just drop your head, forehead, just touch your forehead down. Inhalation, lean little forward and then come up. And exhalation, when you go back, again same here, use your core, engage your belly, push up, see, and exhalation, down facing dog. Same with the right side, heels up, right leg forward. Inhalation, look up, knees up, hip down. Move your body to the left side a little bit, chest up, look up. Exhalation, forehead down. When you go down, make sure you're not squeezing your elbow little outside. Exhalation, touch your forehead. Inhale, lean little forward and then come up. Exhalation, again, engage your core and then move it back. So this is the easy level. If you go a little harder, same inhalation. This time you just touch your chin. Try to touch your chin. Inhale up and exhale back. So the third time, same thing. You just go little more intense. Try to touch your chest down. Exhalation, chest down, inhale up, exhale back. So this is the 3 level, and once you're used to with this, and then you can go for little dynamic from here. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Only 2 breathe with all movement. So this will be a little bit dynamic. So you can gradually increase the pace and increase the intensity of the exercise. Once you come comfortable with this, and then you can go for 2 legs. From here, you just bring your both the leg forward. You can walk or you can jump forward. Inhalation, look up, open your knees, chest up, look up. Exhalation, drop your head. Inhalation, look up. Again, you can move your leg back, walk back, or you can jump back by using your core and arm strength. So this is like a combo of this exercise, the simplified version of it. You don't have to practice the intense level in the beginning. Just gradually take the level up. You can practice this in every morning or even in the evening time. You can practice around 10 reps with the 4 times. You can practice this. It gives you a wonderful result with the strengthening your upper body, core and spine and mobility. Have a good day. Namaskaram.